here. Bullshit, get out of here.
Okay, we're good.
All right. Now listen, you get one fucking chance.
All right.
Because I can throw your ass right in jail right now.
All right.
Fucking phone call.
All right. Sorry, sir.
Ain't no fucking sorry. If this ain't your fucking...
What's that?
The next time, if there is one,
All right.
I'll tell you what's going to happen. I'm so fucking mad right now I can't see straight.
All right. Sorry. I mean.
And I'll tell you, one fucking phone call